it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make chicken shawarma. Without further ado, let's jump right in. I will marinate the chicken with noodle seasoning, turmeric, garlic, mint, onions, salt, basil, chili pepper, and a bit of lemon juice. Leave to sit for about 10 minutes and fry until golden brown afterwards. Chili sauce, mayonnaise, either of the two can serve as the base before adding chicken, zucchini, and carrots. Begin the folding process from the edges so as to have a neat wrap. Repeat the process over and over again until you have all of it wrapped up. Finally, juicy chicken shawarma is ready. So yummy. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.